subscribe to my channel. As you might have realized, I really like Lego. Today I have set myself a challenge, so I will just be dismantling these and rebuilding them, because I believe that practice makes you better at doing things with success. Now I have dismantled this police van, I am now going to show you me rebuilding it, and without looking at the instructions. So I hope you enjoyed this building process. So I'm now going to build it, guys. I hope you enjoy. Okay guys, I'm just going to do the wheels, which I am doing. And then when I do this last wheel, I will do this bank. So I am done.
And you did it without instructions.
Yes, I did. Now, I will dismantle this bank. So I am going to dismantle it now. Okay guys, I have dismantled it, and I am now going to show you me building it without the instructions. Let's start. And this is the security inside, just sleeping and snoring. It's meant to happen, so don't worry.
Okay, I can say.
And this is the van, successfully built. Watching me dismantling these Lego stuff and rebuilding them again, not using the instructions. And please subscribe to my channel and like to my videos and turn on notifications if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Peace. Stay safe.